Hi, Graham Dossel from MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers in Brisbane. I'm just at the FBAA Brisbane Summit at the moment in my capacity as an FBAA Vice President, or the FBAA Vice President, I suppose. Chatting to a few brokers here today, I thought I'd just talk about what you need to do before you make an inquiry for finance. Because most people don't know that making a finance inquiry can bugger up your credit rating just by making the inquiry. We get so many people come to us with what they consider a clean credit rating but a low score because they've simply made too many inquiries. The rule of thumb is 4 inquiries in the last 6 months is an automatic decline. 6 inquiries in the last 12-month period, so any 6 inquiries in the last 12 months is an automatic decline. So a couple of things you can think about before you actually make an inquiry is work out who you want to get a loan with before you actually make a formal inquiry. So do your research online, work out what they do, what they don't do, whether or not their loan product suits you, and then check your credit rating to make sure it's good, make sure that you can actually afford the loan, just do some basic homework, and then make an inquiry once you're pretty sure. You know, when you go online and do all those quick online applications, if you were to do 4 or 5 in a night, you're going to get declines for the next 12 months to 2 years just because you've got too many inquiries, and that's just wrong. So anyway, if you have any problems with your credit rating or you need a copy of your credit rating, give us a call, 1300 667 218. That's 1300 667 218. Graham from MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers at the FBAA Brisbane Summit today.